Hey, and welcome back to Summit Railway. First video of 2025, and we got a small project to tackle. And here it is. We got two shunting signals to install today. Also, I've got a main signal which I have to reset on the layout because plans have changed. And then we've got those switch weights which are mounted on hand-operated switches. And we are going to install 3 of those. There they are. So let's go outside and get started with the first project of 2025. I'm excited. Okay, I got all my tools out. Those are the 3 switches that will be hand operated. So let's start assembling the switch levers. Okay, now I can use the switch like it is intended. I may have to glue the upper part to the lower part, but for now it will do. Black on the ground means this is the standard direction of the switch. So if it is like this, this is the non-standard direction. Always when I leave the layout I will use the standard direction like that. Yeah, that looks nice. Let's do all the other switches. Okay, and done. Before I go ahead and install the switch handle right here, I will install the shunting signal. This one goes like that, and it will be easier to do it first, so let's do it. Alright, the signal is installed, so let's go ahead and install the switch handle as well. Let's go ahead and install the final shunting signal. The isolating connector is right here, so I think right about here would be an appropriate place to set the signal. Alright, that looks very nice. I accidentally knocked off this little sign off of the signal, so I will take some glue and glue it back on. But for now, this looks amazing. During the last couple of weeks my plans have changed a little bit. As you can tell, we've got two tracks combining into one main line track, which will go outbound in that direction. So I've installed this entry signal right here. But with my new plans in mind, I will get rid of this switch. The main line will continue as two tracks. So I need to move this entry signal all the way up here to the station building. So let's carefully remove this signal. Alright, that's that for now. I do have to change all this arrangement anyway, so I will leave the wiring like this. The new position for the signal will be right here in front of the platform. I think I have to hurry up a little bit because I'm losing daylight very fast right now. So this signal will be somewhere around here. Okay. Yes. Yes. That's what we're talking about. Okay, look at that. The main entry signal is moved to here. We also got two shunting signals, one right there and one here. So we got the switch lever right here, the lever for this switch as well. And last but not least, for this switch also. That looks great. I like this view as well. So we got 1, 2, 3 switch levers and the main signal right there. That's way nicer than before. So the last thing we have to do is get the track inspectors right here and see if we can pass inspection. This is track inspector Struppi. Yes, look right here. Yeah, look right here. Did we do a good job? Yes, we did. Have a close look. That's nice. Oh yeah. Good news, we successfully have passed inspection. So on to the next project. Bye.